Hi, I'm Amit from Nimble Foundation. Today I'm going to continue on another presentation on one-word substitutes. This is the third part in the series, and in today's presentation we are going to look at one-word substitutes of words denoting professions. Now let us look at examples of words denoting professions. One who attends to the diseases of the eyes is an oculist. One who tests eyesight and sells spectacles is an optician. A person who compounds or sells drugs is a druggist. Someone who treats by performing operations is a surgeon. One who attends to the teeth is a dentist. A person who is skilled in the care of hands and feet is known as a chiropodist. A physician who assists women at childbirth is known as an obstetrician. Now let us move on and look at some more words denoting professions. Someone who drives a motor car, a chauffeur. One who manages or attends to an engine, an engineer. The person in charge of a ship is the captain. The commander of a fleet is the admiral. One who carves in stone is a sculptor. One who cuts precious stones is a lapidist. Now here are some more words denoting professions. One who writes for newspapers is a journalist. Someone who sets type for books, newspapers, etc. is a compositor. A person who plans and draws the design of buildings is an architect. One who draws plans, a draughtsman. One who deals in flowers, a florist. Someone who sells fruits, a fruiterer. Let's move on to some more words denoting professions. One who deals in medicinal herbs, a herbalist. Someone who works in mending water pipes, a plumber. One who deals in cloth and other fabrics, a draper. A professional rider in horse races is known as a jockey. One who studies rocks and soils is a geologist. Someone who studies the past through old objects is an astrologer. We now move on to some more words denoting professions. One who studies the stars is an astronomer. Someone who can foretell things by the stars is an astrologer. One who flies an aeroplane, a pilot. one who converts rawhide into leather, a tanner. Someone who cleans the streets is a scavenger, one who sells sweets and pastries, a confectioner. Let us look at another list of words denoting professions. One who takes care of a building, a janitor. Someone who sells fowls, ducks, turkeys, etc., a poulterer. One who pays out money at a bank, a cashier. A person who makes and sells cushions and covers, an upholsterer. A person who draws a map, a cartographer. Finally, someone who performs tricks by the sleight of a hand, a conjurer. Now I'll be continuing this series with another presentation on one-word substitutes and other aspects of the English language. Until then, thanks for watching.